Okay, we're gonna open up hive number 2. I think it's been, I don't know, maybe 3 weeks or more since we opened it. So we're gonna pop her open and see what's going on in there. Well, looks like we got some bees in the top. Not even making some comb. Maybe they're running out of room in there, I don't know. First frame. Got it all drawn out almost. Even this side. Frame 2. Got some nectar. Yeah, nectar on both sides, all drawn out. Okay, there's the 4th frame in. Let's take a look-see. Looks like it's all drawn out and full. Getting, well, it ain't all the way full, but got a lot of nectar. It's got a little weight to it. Pretty much the same thing. Just a lot of comb and nectar. Okay, here's frame 6. Looks like I got some capped over brood on this side. I'm thinking. What do you got on that side? Oops. To me, that looks like capped over brood and larva. See the larva down there? Zoom in on that little right there. Yeah, real still. I don't know if it's showing it, but we need the sunlight. There's definitely little larvas in there, no question about it. Hold real still on one per second. Hard to hold still, isn't it? All right. 7. Frame 7. Looks like nice brood. Yeah. Capped over brood. And let's look at the other side. Some capped over brood. Nice pattern in the middle. Okay, frame 8 looks kind of, feels heavy. I think it's full of nectar. Actually, there's some brood. There's some brood. Oh, it's okay, bees. I didn't mean to just jar you around. It's a little bit capped honey. And there's lots of activity. Frame 9, pretty light actually, but it is drawn out and some nectar in it. Yeah, they're working it. Pretty cool. Oh, nothing on the other side. All right. Well, they'll get there. Well, I just like to be safe. Lifting these heavy things around.
Set it down real soft.
Hello, bees. This one I've got it here, and he stung my arm. He stung into my glove. I was watching him sting her out and everything. They're a little irritated. Okay, first frame on the bottom box. A little jumpy feeling. Pretty much full of resources. We got some brood and some nectar. Second frame in. More brood, some larvae. That'd be a good one to pull, maybe. That sucker got me right there. My little weak spot. Look at that one, he's curled in too. I think I'm gonna steal this one. It's got young brood and larvae on it. Put it in that other hive. Hive number 1, getting a set of brood. Hope the queen wasn't on that one. Okay, we got a brand new honey super here. We're gonna stick it on that frame, or on top of that hive there. What's the hive number 1?
2.
Or 2?
1. Actually 2.
2. Hive number 2. Oh, nice new one. Move back, bees. Okay, got her back closed up. I added a super to the top, and this we stole one frame of brood and put it over to that other one on the right. Give them a little boost because I don't think they have a queen. And then we just put an empty frame back in there, put a super on, closed her back up, and these bees were kind of wild today for some reason. I don't know what the deal is. One stung me through my glove even. So got her all closed back up, and I guess we'll just keep an eye on it.